some patient with prostatic carcinoma.
Prostatic
Prostatic
carcinoma.
carcinoma.
Yes, make hormonal therapy by removing the testes, which produce the hormone that give
Testosterone?
accessory
Oh.
to reside or to decrease or atrophy the prostatic carcinoma when you remove your testes.
Both testes, is
Yes,
it?
I think.
Oh. So how do we see the problem?
But here there is no
Carcinoma.
problem.
Oh, no
They
problem.
remove this for treatment to stop hormone secretion.
Oh.
So the testis part itself has no problem.
Hypersecretion.
Yes.
Oh.
Or even normal secretion. When you abbreviate the prostatic carcinoma from this, the male hormone, it gets atrophic or make help in the treatment of the patient.
Okay.
No?
But the
Okay.
patient is no longer fertile. يعني
Mostly adrenochromosoma occur
Yes.
in old patients,
Old patient,
sixth decade or seventh decade.
So this is the normal testis.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. It's light brown and very soft.
Light brown and soft.